So I mentioned during the ERMI test of the back porch, the art porch, that there was an issue out here. You can see there's a crack in the wall and in the trim along the top here, where there's a separation between the trim and what appears to be the soffit. This looks like the soffit from the original building, and this porch, probably an addition. It probably was just a regular concrete porch. It was added and enclosed, so outside we have stucco and T111 siding. If I come down here, you obviously had a water leak in here, and it was about 2 years ago. I know that the water leak has been corrected. Well, I'll go outside in a minute. There's sealant on the outside of the building. It's kind of unsightly. The water's coming down here. Basically, it impacted this little caricature. It was dripping on the floor. They had a bucket here that was collecting the water. This is a rental property. We notified the owner. Hasn't fixed it yet. So I guess the resident fixed it or sealed it as they could. So let's go outside real quick and take a look at what's done on the outside to stop the leak. But it's something that there may be other issues. So we'll pick this up in a second. So here we are outside. What do they call that? Black stuff. I forget the name of it. I got this wall. This wall was sealed. It probably should be sealed all the way down. So the dryer vent needs to be replaced. And we come down here. We're getting into the outside of the porch, and it's clearly having problems. So a friend of mine who's a termite contractor did evaluate this. He says, this is going to be a problem when you get this thing opened up. You're going to have rot up there. You have leaking gutters. The roof was replaced a few years ago, but not the porch roof. And so there's some problems back here. And there may be findings in the ERMI test that indicates that this is coming through. It won't really matter. We see a problem. We know the problem. And this wood is rotting. And so moisture equals mold. And so this thing hasn't been fixed. So every time it rains, we're going to have more moisture here. We'll see what's happening inside, though, when we get the ERMI test back.